Looks like I found a lift in Upper Hutt. We have some Dewhurst here. Okay. Oh! It's an OTIS Series1. So it's got new call buttons. This is my first Series1 with this kind of indicator. Don't know if it works though. Nope. Hydraulic. Yep, new call button out here as well. Looks like OTIS maintains it. There's capacity. Wow. There it goes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, then you can visit my channel and see over 1,000 more videos, or you can subscribe to see my latest videos when they're released. You can also follow me on Instagram, where you can see more exclusive, fresh and original content.